Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Before this video starts, I want to ask you one simple question. Have you ever felt that your dreams were bigger than your language? Maybe you have ideas, maybe you have talent, maybe you have ambition, but something holds you back. For me, that something was English. Today, I want to share a true my life story, a story about fear, struggle, hope, and transformation. This is not just my story. This is the story of millions of people around the world who believe that learning English can change their life. If you are learning English right now, if you feel shy, scared, or tired, if you think English is too hard for me, please watch this video until the end because this story might change your life just like English changed mine. Chapter 1. A Small World. I was born in a small town where everyone spoke the same language. Life was simple. People worked, slept, and repeated the same routine every day. English was something distant, something only rich people or educated people spoke. In school, English was just a subject, not a skill. We memorized grammar rules, but we never spoke. When the teacher asked a question in English, my heart beat faster, my hands became cold, my voice disappeared. I was afraid of making mistakes. I was afraid of people laughing at me. So I stayed silent. Silence became my comfort zone. Chapter 2. Dreams without a voice. As I grew older, my dreams grew bigger. I wanted a better job. I wanted to travel. I wanted to start a business. I wanted to speak to people from different countries. But every dream had one problem: English. I watched YouTube videos in English but didn't understand. I saw job opportunities but couldn't apply. I met foreigners but couldn't communicate. It felt like the world was open but the door was locked and English was the key. Chapter 3. The Turning Point. One day, something happened that changed everything. I saw a person from my town, someone just like me, speaking fluent English on stage. People listened, people respected him. That day, I asked myself, if he can do it, why can't I? That night, I made a decision, not a perfect plan, not a big promise, just one decision. I will start learning English even if I fail. Chapter 4. The struggle, the beginning was painful. I couldn't pronounce words. I forgot vocabulary. I made stupid mistakes. Sometimes I felt embarrassed. Sometimes I wanted to quit, but I kept going. I listened to English every day. I spoke to myself in the mirror. I watched movies with subtitles. I learned one word at a time. Progress was slow, very slow, but it was progress. Chapter 5. Small Wins, Big Confidence. One day I understood an English video without subtitles. Another day I spoke English with a stranger and he understood me. That moment was magical. For the first time, I felt confidence. English was no longer my enemy, it was becoming my friend. Chapter 6. A new life begins. As my English improved, my life changed. I got better job opportunities. I connected with people worldwide. I learned new skills online. I gained confidence in myself. English didn't just change my language, it changed my thinking. I stopped being afraid. I started believing. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start to become better. Learning English is not about grammar, it's about freedom. Freedom to speak, freedom to grow, freedom to dream bigger. Learning English can play an important role in my life. English is used all around the world, and many people speak it as a common language. When I learn English, I can communicate with people from different countries and understand new ideas. Learning English helps me become more confident and independent. I can express my thoughts, share my opinions, and connect with others without fear. It also helps me travel and explore different cultures. If you are watching this video and learning English right now, I am proud of you. Every word you learn is a step forward. Every mistake you make is proof that you are trying. Never stop. Because one day you will look back and say, learning English changed my life. If this story inspired you, like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, your voice matters, your dreams matter, and English can help the world hear you.